Hello guys. Good morning, good morning. Buen dia, buen dia. Today I have 20 euro session. Okay, I have the new version of Joker, Nova version, the Joker. Okay, the 2 euro. Palabras sorturas con bonus. Lucky words with bonus. Estrellas de suerte. Lucky stars. Okay, a lot of propaganda. Sorte set, lucky 7, okay? A lot of lucky. Muito sorte, the name of the ticket. Okay, so let's start with Joker. Ay, Jesus, this camera and the tripod camera. Okay, so matching matching symbol game. In the bonus area, we're looking for mascara in Portuguese to win 10, bota to win 20. Ticket number 23, 24, 23, 24. No. We're looking for Diamante Ferradora. Lingote, Bote de Oro, Flor, Chave, Libro, Masa, Cartera, Mala. Of course not the winner. Bota, no. Mascara. Ay! I won the mascara again! Wow! Yesterday I won this mascara and today again. Wow, I can win more than 10. 10, 5, 5. I can win more than 10. Yeah. Okay, wow, I found the mascara again, guys. Wow. Last night I found the mascara, today again. Maybe this Joker will make me rich. We're looking for Malay Floor. Bag and flower. Strela. Ferradora. Cartera. Tesoro. Puti de Oro. Diamante. Masa. Libro. So, no. But I found the 10 euro win, guys. Mascara. What happened to my camera, guys? Crazy. And the tripod I didn't lock. Okay, so I got 10 euro. This is a 20 euro session. Nice. Let's go to. At least I got half of my money, guys. Palabras surturas. I'm lazy to scratch one by one, guys. So let's do the fast way. Oh, Lord. I think this is not a winner, okay? Rua. No R. There's R. U, but no letter A. No letter A. Okay. Liga. No letra A. Ki. No E. Aga. No. No E. No letra A. No E. Siu. No. Globo. No. Okay, letter is this. C. No letter. No letra Ga. I don't need to find because if there's no first letter, of course I don't win. Hypo. No. Saya. Dua. Sai. No. This is not a winner. Okay, so this is not a winner. Okay. Only I and O. U. Others U. But no A and E. Okay, so it's not a winner. S. E. There's S, but no E. There's I. So I think this is not a winner. Okay. Let's go to my favorite 3 euro ticket. Palabras. Estrellas de suerte. I need to find this symbol in the bonus area. Come on, Lua. No. We're looking, oh no, 14.25. 14.25. 25. No, 14, I think. 21, 42. 21. No, 42. 45, 24. 45, 24. 27. 17. 27. Okay. Set 55. Set. Or is it 55 here? 55. 50 ohm, 50. 50 ohm. Alright. No other 50 here. 23, 33. 23. 23. 33. No, 33, I think. 23, 33, no. Hi, this is a winner. L and L. Okay, so this is a winner, guys. Woohoo, I get back all my money. 48. 48. This is a winner, guys. Two the same letters. 38. This is a 10 euro win. Nice. 40. So I got back all my money, guys. For me, I'm happy with that. 36, 35. I know it's already only 10 because L is 10, but let's continue. Let's pretend that we didn't know. Because some viewers didn't understand this, so I must. Okay, no, 35. I need this knob to win the jackpot, but of course, they don't put. So this is a 10 euro win, guys. I complete the 10 euro stars. 4 stars. 7. For those who don't know, 23. I have 23. Where's the 7 here? Set. And set. 23. Just a review for the people who don't play lottery. 38. 51. Here. So this is 10 euro win. So I got all my money, guys, in this ticket. But I still have 2 more tickets. 30 set. My favorite 5 euro ticket is a knob, 20. Okay. Let's start with this knob. Favorite, guys, because I always win. I don't win big, but I always win on this ticket. 30, 41. 30, 41. 11, 29. 11, 11, 29. 40, 21. 40, 21. 40, 21. 40, 33. 54. 33, 54. 33, 54. 53. 53. 53. 8. 8. 28. 49. 28, 49. 28. 28. 17, 18. 17, 18. 52, 26. 52. Ok, 26. 26. 52. Where is the 52? Where is the 26? 26, okay. Size 50. I think this is not a win. Size 50. 51. But I have no 24 to win. So I think this is not a winner. Okay, so confirm this is not a winner. I like this ticket, but it's not a winner. But so far I got all my money, so Jesus. I don't want to edit, that's why I don't want luck. Okay, hold on, tripod. We're looking for 38, 12. 38, 12. 38. My daughter is playing with this tripod, guys. So, 2, 41. 2, 41. 37. In Portuguese numbers, 48. 37. 48. Be a winner ticket. 19. 43. 43. 29, 28. 28. 29. I need 39. 39 to win. Okay. 52, 26. 52, 26. 26. 4, 42. 4, 42. 9, 50. Far from reality, guys. No, I need 30 to win. I need 39. I need 17. Ay, winner! 17. 34. 34. 34. No, 39. So it's a winner, guys. So this is a lucro session. Ticket number 20 is a winner. And there's 20 size here. There's 20 size, right? 53, no? I miss a lot of numbers, guys. No. So, no size. It's only one win. How much it could be? 7. P. Okay, so it's a good session. It's a winner. Okay, this is a winner. Maybe I missed a lot of numbers, but so I know P is 7. My phone stopped working. And then this one 10. So 17. My desk 27. So I spent 20 and I won 27. Gaste 20, gané 27. Okay, lucro 7 euro. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.